Manga Valley and Geddes United both registered victories as the St. Mary T20 cricket competition continued at the weekend. Hosts Manga Valley proved too strong for Islington, easing to a 47-run victory. Manga Valley first posted 192 for 4 from a reduced 18 overs, with Richard Thompson 51, Ashton Aarons 41 and Michael Belnavis 30 making most runs. In reply, Islington were restricted to 145 for 8. O'Shane Banks top scored with 32 against Kevin Johnson's 4 for 17 and Jordan Bryce 3 for 23.
So pick up 4 for a little bit. We have Mr. Thompson making a 50 and we have a next batsman. We call him. Yeah man, make another half century. So good play by the team. Tell them to keep up the good work. We feel good, ball good. Economic was good feeling, taking the catches out on the field, and we win one, and we need the next one against Portmara.
The day's other game, which was reduced to 15 overs per side, proved to be a much closer affair as Geddes United beat Hamilton Mountain by 15 runs. Batting first, Geddes posted a challenging 155 for 7. Jermaine McCracken top scored with 34. Siobhan Spalding claimed 3 for 16 for Hamilton Mountain, who were then held to 140 for 6, with Spalding returning to top score with 32, while Gerard Britton got 29. Darian Walker was the pick of the Geddes bowlers with 2 for 7, while Dwayne Hamilton claimed 2 for 42.